What's up folks, welcome back. This is your favorite coding element here. I hope you're doing good because I'm not doing bad myself. Let's hop into the topic without any ado. Unity is POG. I guess that's why you are here. As you know from the title, today I am going to introduce you to my brother Unity. I'm going to explain all the basic components and explain the other stuff as I move on with Unity. Before I start this video, for scripting and other purposes, you may have to know C#, which is a language, to understand better. I have given a link in the description to an awesome video. Watch it if you want to learn C#. Either way, I'm going to explain everything so that you understand it. Let's hop in. First, we are going to create a project in Unity. For those who don't know how to install Unity, here you go. You just need to go to a website called as Unity Hub. And then it's going to their option called as download Unity, and then need to download Unity Hub. Wait for it to download and then open it. Do whatever it asks and just complete the whole download. After downloading it, you will come to a place like this. This is not something to bother about at the start. What you need to do is create a new license here. Click this activate new license. Whatever you want over here. I'm going to use personal and I'm not from a company or whatever. So I'm going to choose this option and then click done and it's going to create a license. That's it. Then you need to go here, go to the installs and install a version of Unity you will create your games in. You click add here and choose any version you want to use. These recommended releases are the one I recommend you to use, or you can use whatever you want which is comfortable for you and which is not. You can use anything and just click download. You can also choose in what base these want to be and what other softwares you want to be in this download. You can choose anything. I'm just going to stay with Microsoft Visual Studio 2019 and next. I have read all the terms and conditions done and the download is going to start. This thing is going to take quite a lot of time, but yeah, it's worth the wait because you can create amazing games in it. So that's enough for this episode. I upload these videos like not in a schedule but 2 episodes for 2 days and then some other thing. Whatever. I hope you enjoyed this video and sorry for the long break. I was also learning Unity at that time to pass the info to you. Anyway, see you on the next episode. Peace.